Okay, sorry for the technical issue. The TradingView stopped the video suddenly, so I would continue. So this is the M1. So this is the resistance. H1 resisted close. H1 resistance fresh. When the price came, we go to this is our setup. We go to confirmation, which is lower time frame M1. Usual, we go to line chart. We find a trend. See, so this is a trend. We try to mark point A, point one, and point B. One, two. Okay, when we open line candlestick, we can see that the price is respect the trend. So once the price break the retracement, you just entry. So from here, H1, we control at M15. So this is the resistance. No, sorry. This is the M15 support. The price need to break this one to sorry, to make sure that our direction is correct. Our trade can run for 50 to 100 pips. Okay, we go back to H1. So when we entry here, the price come to sorry, the price come to H1 fresh SNR and rejected. So I just cut loss first. So I will be looking at I will control H1 trade with M15. So I would here as long as the price cannot break this shadow with body, still selling. Okay. So when the price the M15 here at M15 at this candle, I go to M5. Okay, from here you open line chart, you can see a market structure, a QM, high, low, higher high, lower low. The price break shadow with body, so it is confirmed that it is a selling. So when the price retrace, I would just enter here. I would just enter uh, because we have the direction, we have the setup, and we have the confirmation. So like always, we control H1 entry with M15. Sorry. So our M15 is here. Our new M15 is here. Oops, sorry. So the price break this what we call that support, but still in the zone. It will pull back a bit. So I would just enter here, and then when the price break this shadow, we can consider that the price will go to 50 to 100 pips lah. So we go back to H1. So for H1, we go back to H4. So our first zone is here. This is MM. But at H1, there is nothing here. See, when the price reject support, M15 support, we use M15 to control H1 trade. So when the price reject, we can expect a little pullback lah, because the before the price go towards the direction, little pullback and poof, break, break with body. So H1 breaks, okay, we go downwards. So like I said, I would mark here at H4 and then open H1. Okay, so there is a QM here and a fresh support. So I TP at 50 pips and 100 pips, and then I wait for the next setup lah, which is the QM and the fresh H1. So what will I do? M15 like always. So there is no confirmation here. Okay. Yeah, okay. The first touch is here, and then this one for the H1 support. We go back to H1. Okay. Okay, I can delete this one. Okay, so we are looking at this. Okay. Then we go to M5. We are looking for confirmation. So at here there is no confirmation. The momentum you cannot draw trend line. There is no QM here, so I won't entry here lah. I would wait to H1 support. So sorry, when it reach H1 support, uh, yes, there is no trend line here. But I wouldn't take this one lah. So but I use market structure. So you open line chart. Okay, you can see this is the structure. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. So this support breaks to resistance. So it is a very strong support. So once the pullback, I would say entry here. See, the price come, you entry, and then we control at M15. Oh, where is it? Okay, we control at M15. We control at M15. Here. So when the price break, it goes to okay. When the price break the resistance M15 resistance, we can expect that the price will go to 50 to 100 pips lah. So we go back to H1. Okay. So at H1 there is no support. There is no SNR. The SNR is very far, but there is a interesting level here. Hidden base here. I would like to mark there first. Okay, here is the hidden base. Okay, for H1 there is a H1 so we go to M15. So here is the fresh resistance, and then the price close below the M15, so we can know it is a sell. So M15, it breaks the support. M15 and support breaks, so you know that the direction can go to 50 to 100 pips. And we go back to H1. Okay, H1, there is nothing here. H4. So there is nothing for. Okay, there is until here there is nothing we can do. But when we open H4, here is a new H4 support. So we open to H1. So I would delete this one. So because this is equilibrium support. Oh, sorry. Not this one lah, this one. We go H4. This one. Because this marking. Okay, so this is sorry. So this support is equilibrium to H1. So I would mark this support lah. This is our setup. So this is our setup. So when the price come back here, okay, I already post that my entry I buy high because this is a QM like always. So there is a shadow here. We mark first because we need the price to break the shadow before it reach the QM or the SNR resistance H1. So we go to M15. Okay, so the price break. So the price break here, and then it reach our QM. So I will delete this one. At H1, we control at M15. Okay, there is too many drawings, so I will delete some. I will delete all. Okay, so this is the QM. So this is the SNR. Okay. So we go to M15, M5, sorry, because the price already reached this one. So the price already reached this QM. I will go to M1 and then okay, here is my trend line. Might be here. Oh no, should be here. Okay, to be honest, I take this QM, but I cut loss because the price reject M15. The price reject here, so I will just wait at H1 H1 resistance fresh SNR. So when the price come here, I will delete this one. I will delete this TL2. We go to M1 for confirmation because we already have our setup. So just line chart, trend line, fit here. Okay, open. See. So once the trend line break, pull back, just entry. Okay, we go to M15. So M15 here. The M15 when it breaks with body, so I know that the trade will go to 50 to 100 pips. So until where the price go. So we already have our marking here. Sorry, the equilibrium. Okay, and also there is a fresh support at H4, and also it is equilibrium to H1. So when the price come here, it's either this one or this one, or this freshest one. But I would like to use equilibrium setup. So we go to M1 for confirmation. So there is no trend line here because the price steep. Okay, and then we go to M5. We're looking for okay. So when the price come, you can see the momentum of bullish, and then it breaks the support, the resistance. Sorry, it breaks, and then when the price pull back, just entry here, and then we entry here, the pullback, and then we contract at M15 here, and it breaks with momentum. We know that the price will go to at 50 to 100 pips. So 25 to 31, 50 pips above. Okay, so this my direction, setup, and confirmation. That's all from me, Loaded Potato. Thank you.